What is prompt engineering? And why are people making over $200,000 a year doing it with no degree or coding background? Today, we're diving deep into the one AI job that's shaking up the entire job market and showing you how you might be a lot closer to it than you think. In this video, we'll reveal what prompt engineers actually do, who's hiring them and why they're paying six figures, and most importantly, how you can get started, even with no tech background at all. Because in a world where most people are afraid AI will take their jobs, prompt engineers are being hired to control it. Let's get into it. Here's the hard truth. AI is moving faster than 99% of people are ready for. Companies are already cutting entire departments and replacing them with one person and a powerful AI tool. But while most are afraid of getting replaced, a small group of people are getting ahead of the curve, and they're not coders or engineers. They're prompt engineers. These are the people who know how to talk to AI to get it to write, generate, analyze, create, and solve problems at an elite level. So what actually is prompt engineering? It's the skill of knowing how to communicate with AI in a way that gets consistent, high-quality results. Not just asking ChatGPT random questions, but giving it strategic, structured prompts that unlock its full power. Think of it like this. If AI is the engine, prompt engineers are the drivers. And the better you are at driving, the more valuable you are. You don't need to know how to code. You don't need a computer science degree. You need to know how to ask the right questions in the right way and understand the AI's patterns. In the ending of this video, you know everything about how prompt engineer with no degrees are making six figures in a year. Here's why it's worth $150K, $200K, even $300K in some cases. Because AI tools like ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, they're only as good as the prompts they're given. Companies are investing millions in AI and losing money when it doesn't perform well. That's where prompt engineers come in. They optimize AI output to match the company's goals. Some of the biggest companies in the world have already posted prompt engineering roles with six-figure salaries. And the craziest part? Many of those listings don't ask for a degree. Let me show you who's hiring right now. Tech giants like OpenAI, Anthropic, Meta, and Google, startups building AI-first platforms, marketing agencies, enterprise SaaS companies, law firms automating research, even schools and hospitals using AI to draft documents and optimize operations. The demand isn't limited to Silicon Valley. It's spreading across every industry that wants to stay competitive and avoid falling behind. Here's what prompt engineers are doing every day. Writing custom instructions for AI tools, testing multiple prompts to improve outputs, creating prompt libraries for teams to reuse, auditing AI responses for bias, accuracy, tone, building structured workflows using tools like GPT-4, Claude, Midjourney, or Agent GPT. You're not building the AI, you're orchestrating what it does. It's part art, part logic, part psychology. Now, let's get real. You don't need a coding bootcamp. You don't need to be a math genius. Here's what you do need. Clear communication skills, critical thinking, creativity, problem solving, pattern recognition, a curious mindset. If you've ever written a great email, told a story, explained something to a child, you already have part of what it takes. But here's the catch. Just like any high-income skill, most people won't stick with it long enough to master it. They try ChatGPT for 5 minutes and expect to be experts. The top prompt engineers? They run experiments. They keep logs. They track patterns. They get better every single day because they treat it like a real profession. This isn't a lottery ticket. It's a skill, and the market is rewarding people who take it seriously. Here's how to start today. Free steps. Use ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini daily. Start testing prompts and documenting results. Study free guides on prompt structure, few-shot, zero-shot, role-based prompts. Reverse engineer prompts from top creators on Twitter, LinkedIn, or YouTube. Paid steps. Take a short course from Prompt Hero, Learn Prompting, or other platforms. Build a portfolio even if it's just Google Docs showing before and after results. Offer to help small businesses or creators improve their AI output for testimonials or freelance work. You don't need permission. You don't need a job title. Just start. And if you want me to break this down step by step, how to actually use prompts the right way, how to build a beginner portfolio, what tools you need, and how to go from zero to getting paid for it, just comment below. Show me how to start or give me the full tutorial. If enough of you ask, I'll drop a full beginner-friendly breakdown in the next video. No fluff, no gatekeeping. AI isn't just the future, it's the present. And the people who are winning in 2025 are the ones who know how to work with AI, not compete against it. Prompt engineering is one of the fastest growing, highest paying, and most accessible AI jobs right now. And it's not about being perfect, it's about being willing to learn. So if you're sitting there wondering if you could do this, the answer is, you already have what it takes, now it's just about taking action. If this video opened your eyes, do one thing. Subscribe to the channel. I break down AI careers, future-proof skills, and no-code tools every single week, so you can stay ahead while others fall behind. And don't miss my previous video right here. Link in the description. Will AI replace software engineers? It's a harsh reality check on where tech is heading and what you can do about it. If you made it this far with me, thank you for watching. I really appreciate you spending your time here. Don't forget to drop a comment, hit that like button, and let me know if you want the full step-by-step tutorial on the prompt engineering. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay safe, stay positive, and stay ahead.